Hello, this is a demonstration of a React app called Reactagotchi. This was made in Mod 4 Flatiron in cohort 040119. This was done by myself, Ryan, and Sean, and all the people who have contributed to this, their GitHubs will be in the description below. My name is Nicholas, and I'd like to take you on a tour through our amazing love child. So, this is Reactagotchi, sort of inspired by Tamagotchis. So if we go to register, we're going to go ahead and put in a username. I'm going to put in, I'm going to name my username Puddle. I'm going to make a password. I'm going to re-enter that password right here. And you'll see I register, and it'll auto-log me in. So I'm now logged in as Puddle. And I can either save or log out. Save really does nothing. Log out just logs us out. We can just log back in if we want to. Demonstrating that real quick. Puddle, and log in as Puddle, and we're back in as Puddle. So we're gonna let's hatch our new best friend. So you can see we are now in the hatch page. We can hatch these different options here. I'll go ahead and hatch a Charmander. We've used some assets from Pokemon. We wanted animated pets, and this was an easy way to get them, so we could focus on more functionality. So we're going to give this a pet name. Let's name him, how about Sprinkles? Sounds like a good idea. And we're going to get cracking. And you can see a little animation appears on the screen of the little Tamagotchi egg. And this goes for a certain amount of time. Though, to be fair, we could pass this through, though this is set to go for a whole 2 minutes. So, to save us some time in the video, we're going to go to the home. And we have my lovely pet, Sprinkles. And here he is in the corner, chilling like a villain. We start off with 100 coins. We have a few different options. We can walk our pet, and as we walk, he finds us money. And the way that you make money in this game is that you walk your pet. You can also see that the health, fullness, and fun values have gone down. He's getting hungry and he's getting bored. So let's buy, I don't know, a couple toys here, buy some food for him. Let's buy a couple more toys, but mostly let's just buy a lot of food. Some more toys. Food, and then we're going to go back home, and here's Sprinkles. So now here he is. We can give him some food, so we're going to feed him a couple of apples. We're going to play with him with the ball, and you can see as you play with your pet, the fullness goes down. They expend energy to play with you, which is how that works. And we're going to go ahead and take him for another walk. And this is the basic premise of Reactagotchi. There's a few more things we're going to show off in a moment here. So the next thing we can do is we're going to visit the graveyard. Currently, there's nothing at the graveyard. Be thankful there is nothing at the graveyard. We're going to go back to the home page. We'll go ahead and save for good measure. There is an autosave feature in place, so you don't need to, but if a user feels safer hitting save and then locking out, we have that for a little bit of peace of mind. We can also see that his age goes up over time. So right now you can see a lot of things went down. His health went down because he's starting to starve. So it might be in our interest to buy him some medicine. Oh, we don't have the money for medicine right now. So let's go ahead. We have to walk him. So we gotta do this so we can get the money for his health care. It's important that he stay healthy and stay happy, because we would like to show that he can become happy and healthy, and he can turn into a Charmeleon and a Charizard. We can give him the medicine. And while his health did go up, you see, well, nobody likes taking their medication, so his fun went from a 3 to a 1. He's not very happy, so let's play with him a little bit. You can see that his fullness dashes down because he's not very full, or because we keep playing with him. We can keep trying to play with him, but we're not going to get very far because he's not entirely happy with anything right now. We can attempt to feed him, and he'll rebound, but oh no, he's still going down in health. But look, we now have his second stage. Reactagotchis can have 2 or 3 stages. They can, in this case, this one particular does have 3 stages. We're going to go ahead and save again. And right now the numbers for tuning are sort of put to the wayside. We just wanted to get some functionality here, and right now it's actually sped up a lot more than we would have liked. Reason being is for demonstration. There's our Charizard. For demonstration purposes, we needed to be able to show this off in less than 10 minutes. So we really sped up how fast this particular demo runs at. And in my rambling, you'll see that our health went down to 1, and momentarily you're going to see its health go down to 0. Once it hits 0, our pet's going to die. And that's kind of an important step. Oh no, he's died. He's dead. Dead. So we're going to log out. We're going to type in puddle again. We're going to log in with my super secure password, and you can see our pet is gone. He's reached a health of 0, therefore he's dead. So we're going to go ahead and hatch a new best friend. We'll make a Sylveon, and we'll name this one Pretty in Pink. Get cracking. And you can see we're at the hatch. We're just going to go back to home again. It's sort of a little cheat to get back to here. You only have 3 coins, though, so you got to start walking. Now, better get cracking, as they say. And if we go ahead and go to the graveyard after our Eevee has finished walking, we can see our graveyard. We have a little headstone right here, Sprinkles. He was age 9, he was a Charmander, and he was at stage 3. Here lies Sprinkles, the Charmander. They will be missed. A little epitaph fitting for our pet. And now we have a new one, so we need not worry. This game was sort of inspired again by Tamagotchi. A lot of assets here were borrowed for educational purposes. We have 0 claim to anything displayed here other than the code that we used in order to make this a functional game that someone could theoretically play. There are talks about us getting it deployed on Heroku, though there are some worries due to some of the intellectual properties used. So that may be something that we worry about later. Oh yes, and when you use a toy, it uses the toy and it destroys the toy. And then we can log out. And that is Reactagotchi.